Yeah, good morning. Hi, I am Divekar and I am a director of Nature Trails Resorts Private Limited. Nature Trails is the dream child of my father, Hari Divekar, and together we have built a business which encourages people to go outdoors, to leave their city and to enjoy nature and adventure. We have set up resort and campsites at 5 properties around Mumbai, Pune, so that people don't have to travel much and they can still be right in the middle of nature. So if you want to do rafting, we have a rafting campsite. If you would like to do very high-end adventure, you can do canyoning at Dabosa. If you would like to do kayaking and biking, we've got Sajan. If you like to stay in treetop rooms, you can come to our property at Sajan Nature Club. And if you really like to roam around in the forest, if you like bird watching, then I would strongly recommend our property Blue Forest Lodge. So Nature Trails, we offer different options for everybody. Thank you.
इंतजार कर रहे हैं जिसने ये रिजॉर्ट बनाया हुआ है। कोई है? ओह हाय। तो ये सोनल जी जिनका ये नेचर ट्रेल्स रिसोर्ट है जहाँ इतनी खूबसूरत जगह है, तो आप कुछ बताएंगे? पहले हम एक्चुअली ट्री हाउस के कमरे पे दिखा देते हैं।
वेल दीज आर ट्री टॉप्स। ये ट्री टॉप्स हैं, ये टीक वुड से और पैलेट वुड से बनाए हैं। मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर मेड ऑफ पाइन वुड and these tree tops are standing about 8 feet above the ground and they move sometimes. कभी-कभी हिलते हैं जब बहुत breeze आता है और बहुत मज़ा आता है। yes, and ये पूरी area is covered with bamboos. About 3-4 acres area है जहाँ सारे ये tree tops बने हुए हैं।
Giving us the stay and the present of staying in the beautiful little city that they've created, and I love the tree houses. I would love to come visit them.
कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत अच्छा है। जो हम वीकेंड्स पे मूवीज जाते हैं, we just waste time shopping and all. I think we can come here and spend some time with nature.
बॉम्बे के बाहर आगे इतनी खूबसूरत जगह है जहाँ पर आप छुट्टियाँ मनाने के लिए आ सकते हो, एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स कर सकते हो। तो आई थिंक अ वेरी वेरी स्पेशल थैंक्स टू देम।
नेचर ट्रेल रिजॉर्ट में वैली क्रॉसिंग जैसी एक्सपीरियंस मिलेगी। आई मीन इधर इतना कुछ है कि मैं तो कभी सोच ही नहीं सकती थी।
Hi, hope you have enjoyed our little film on nature trails. As you have seen, we have 5 different resorts. Each has a different feel, each a different story to tell. But if you were to ask me, I would say the USP of our resorts is this. If you enjoy a simple, honest and yet entertaining and enlightening holiday over a weekend, then this is the place for you. This is something that you can tell, something you can show to your family, something you can enjoy together with your wife, with your spouse actually, with your kids. That's what we're all about. And thank you. Hope you like it.